Hello friends, welcome to another installment of the Garden Guides. I'm Adam Gibson. We're all busy these days, and if you like to hang outside, you want that space to be beautiful. You're also probably looking for plants that are easy to maintain so you don't have to put too much effort into keeping them beautiful. I just walked a lot and found a couple plants that are hardy for our zone and will be really easy to maintain once they get established in your yard. Let's get started. Quick Tennessee gardening tip. Nashville soil here is thick and clay, so it's not enough to just dig the hole and throw the plant in there. You're going to want to amend that soil with something like soil conditioner so that the roots can run without banging up against that clay. That said, this daylily is an excellent low maintenance option for your yard, as long as you put it in an area where the daylily will thrive. What does the daylily want? Full sun, about 6 hours. Put it in that spot with well-amended soil and watch it come back year after year. This is a sky pencil holly. Now you still have to water this plant, especially as it's getting established. But unlike other evergreens, it's low maintenance because you don't have to prune it. It just goes straight up and grows into this really cool pencil shape. Okay, now I hear you. You're probably saying, Adam, I don't have a spot that's full sun, or I'm not in the market for an evergreen. I have a shady spot, but I still want a low maintenance plant. I hear you. Good news is, I got an option for you. The Hosta. On this lot, we have a ton of Hosta varieties. They're super cool. They have a lot of different colors and sizes of leaves, and they grow to be all different kinds of heights and widths. But what's great about the Hosta is that they are shade tolerant. You can put them underneath a big shady tree that you have in your yard, and that tends to be a really difficult area to put something in and get a lot of color and a lot of foliage. So that's where the Hostas come in. They also have really cool names. This one's variegated. It's got the two colors. It's called the stained glass Hosta. I get it. Stained glass. This one's blooming. Look at that pretty bloom. This one right here, August Moon Hosta. And the winner of the best name, this is the Big Daddy Hosta. Look out. So there you have it. A handful of options for your yard that are easy maintenance. But remember, no plant is truly hands-off, but these are as close as you're gonna get. Is there a low maintenance plant that you know of that I haven't mentioned? Comment below. And while you're down there, hit that like button because it really helps us out a lot. Also, subscribe to catch future garden guides and to follow the pond crew as they make Nashville beautiful. And as always, share this video with anybody else who may be interested in low maintenance plants. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you next time.